Everyone wrote how creators turn passion into profit. In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximize your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various things and various information, but before, let's know what is Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis by offering various membership tiers. Creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, all you have to do is just click over here to sign up and you start your subscription. Then you write your email address and your password and you will start with patreon.com. If you already have an account, you click over login and you write your email address. Also, you can use other options like Google, Apple, Facebook. Also, in the sign up, you use the same options. So I will write my email address, then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will write your password. So you can see, then you click over continue and you'll find this page. So this page it's for members. If you, this one it's for creators, as you can see. So this is the home page we have here. Your Patreon is ready. It is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitor learn more about you and what you plan to share here. To create, you have to click over create and they will show you that as soon as possible. Then the first thing we have here, adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. First things, you have to add a profile photo, then describe your page that people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. So I click over here and you add your intro video, then we have impure add a short video to let people know more about who are you and what you create while you are on Patreon. Then you have about social here, help people find you wherever you are. Connect to other accounts to show them on your page who will never post on your behalf. So I connect with YouTube, as you can see. Also we have Instagram here, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok also, and you have to click over save. That's about describe your page. Then you make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a honest piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. I'm just to click here, but let's know other things and I will come back to this one. So you publish your page, you have this is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back to this one. Now just to select type and I will select text and I will find this create text post. You have just to add a title, tell your members what you are working on. First I will add a text, a title I mean, sorry, then I will write for example selling product. Then tell your members what you are working at, for example selling shoes, basketball, for example. That's what USA love, actually, especially shoes carries Infinity. Then you have to upload attachment also, and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find publishing options, some products, 6 words here. Then we have who can access this post. This post will be visible to anyone who visits your Patreon. Then you have here set a release date, schedule your post or set it to have an earlier release date. Backdated posts won't be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. Then we have your allow comments on this post. You have just to switch on or switch off if you want people comment or not. Then we have notify members when this post goes live. Members will get notified based on their notification settings. Then you click on publish if you accept all these things. Then let's click on over collections here. You have here create collection. You have to upload first an image here, collection title for the title. Then you have description here, and you create a collection. Then we have membership here. While you paid membership income, you can count on earn requiring income from your biggest fans. Then we have start with what you have for something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then we have grow your creative businesses, get insights on your members, create exclusive member-only chats, and more. Then you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find this page, new tire. About this one, we have firstly this information. Choose what to offer. It's best to start with a few compelling benefits. Then you have what benefits should I offer. For example, bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to community chat, member only voting. Then we have early access. Then you click over next. You have also here tires and pricing. You can customize your tires and pricing however you would like. Start on tire to keep things simple or add additional benefits to more expensive tires, which can lead to higher earnings over time. You have here how many tires should I have, what price should I choose. Then you click over done. Customize tire, we have here the name, monthly price, for example I will choose $50. Then we have here tire description, describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you have your cover image, you add the cover image, you have tire benefits, let your members know what they can expect from this membership tire. You can just add it here. Then we have your free trial, allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. Then we have advanced tire settings, you have ask members for a shipping address and a checkout. Then you have a limited number of members who can join this tire. Because I'm famous, I will write here 1 million person. Then we have Discord access, manage Discord access in Discord settings. You have configure your feed. Sales tax on your tire is configurable when you have added to. Then you click over save. And you have to write your tire number and description. It's very important. So that's enough for this types. Then we have here about. So introduce yourself, as you can see. So this is how it works with patreon.com. You can just get started right now. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.